This is Vegas Pro version 16. Let's see how to improve the colors. So the colors currently are a bit washed out, and this is the after and this is the before. So we made a color modification. The colors are more vibrant. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So we will modify the colors for all of the clips on the timeline. To do that, let's go here to the FX button. Okay, and after that go to the end of the list and select color corrector, Vegas color corrector, and close it with OK. We will use the gain and the offset, but first let's open another window, view, window, and video scopes. View, window, video scopes. Okay, and here we have these dots. These dots, the red, green, and blue, are different for each and every frame of the clip. Okay, but let's use the first one, and let's use the offset to bring these dots down, because we have some free space there where there are no dots, so we should make the darker colors even darker. Okay, so offset down until those dots are very close to the zero line. Okay, and now use gain. As you can see, you can stretch it with gain. Use gain until these dots start touching the top part, just a little bit. Okay, because this is different for each and every frame, but just a little bit is not a big problem. Okay, so let's go to the beginning, and now let's check and uncheck this to see the results. So that's the before and that's the after, and that's the improvement that we just did. Blacks are darker and whites are brighter without crushing them and without losing texture. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.